live day trading futures. Today I'm trading 600k in top sub XFAs or express funded accounts, and I got a 200k FTMO eval that I'm working on. So you guys can see what's going on the screen here. As you guys can see, I've got the funded accounts, and off screen is the FTMO challenge. Right now we are looking for shorts on XAU USD or micro gold futures if you guys trade futures. And I'm also streaming to here on live on TikTok. So cortisol goes high, yeah, for real, bro, 100%. I couldn't do it, bro. Couldn't do it. Shit is too stressful. I mean, like, and the thing is with edge, like, you can't do anything about it. Like, I mean, really, you could just TP early, but like, it kind of messes up your trading stats and stuff. But yeah, Chloe, what do you trade? What's your strategy, if you don't mind me asking? What's up? Welcome to the stream. What's good? What's good? Just trying to wait for a really good short opportunity soon, chat. Actually, for real. I'm just waiting for some short opportunities. I like to see, for the new guys that join the stream, this is sort of my trading strategy. If you guys aren't familiar with how I trade, I just look for, I use a regression trend tool like this, and I wait for price to hit either the top or bottom, and then I just wait for a lower time frame change of character, and I just short or like take the trade back into 50% of the regression trends. This is a simple mean or reversion trade, so this is a good sort of reversal setting up soon. Jeez, I'm kind of butchering my talk today, chat. Sorry. So, as you guys can see, it's kind of loading at the moment. This is just for me. I like to see a previous high taken if this is a counter trend trade, which right now looks like to hopefully be a counter trend trade. I like to see it kind of go up here. We want to see a price move up and then do like a lower time frame change of character, like internal, and then as it comes down, that's when I like to enter there. So something like that, chat. So we're just vibing now until we get this kind of set up. Hopefully everyone can see that shit. What's good? Where y'all from? Where's everyone from? Chloe's from Gold Coast here. Whenever you click buy or sell, how much do you or should you put in for a beginner? It really depends, but if you're a beginner, the whole point of being a beginner, and Chloe can also probably learn, unless you've got a mentor teaching you how to trade or giving you insight on what to do in trading, I think the best thing to do as a beginner is to figure out a strategy, whether you create it yourself, watch the markets or whatever, or just look online on YouTube or whatever. Find a strategy, and you have to obviously test it yourself. But I would say the best thing you just 100% need to collect data on yourself testing it, and then I would say have a small prop firm challenge, 50 or 100 bucks, just so that you have skin in the game. I reckon it's better than a demo, because demos is very easy to just pretend like you're doing well, cherry pick good trades, say that, oh, I didn't go in, or I did go in, and I think it's just a lot better to actually have some skin in the game. But don't spend a lot of money on prop firms until you've consistently gotten better at it or good at it. So for now, how much you should put in should be like less than 1% of the account size of your prop firm challenge. So if it's, it could be like 0.1%. So let's say you have a, if it's futures, instead of risking 1% or like a 25k account, let's just say a 100k account, I wouldn't risk more than like, if you really want to take it slow, you can risk 100 bucks per trade, which is 0.1%. Or 1% you can risk 1k, but that's just, you're gonna blow your account too soon. So like really just take it slow, because you're not trying to make any you're not trying to pass it when you're learning. Well, I don't know, I've been watching support resistance areas, looking at previous trends, multi-time frame. Nice, that's good, Chloe. I think time frame analysis, momentum confirmation, that's good. That's a good way to start. The thing is, I'm gonna tell you this right now, everyone that starts off, if you're gonna start with trading, first figure out when you want to trade during the day. when do you want to trade? Do you want to be someone that trades throughout the day? Or do you want to be someone that trades only in the afternoon? Do you want to be someone that trades during the New York session, which is in Australia, like at the moment, 10:30, 11:30, midnight kind of time? Because your strategy sometimes depends. It depends what you trade, but your strategy sometimes affects what time you trade. And I struggled a lot because for like a year, I was trying to trade NASDAQ on futures. And that was like 12 a.m. for me every single day. And so I'll be trading from 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. in Brisbane time. It was horrible. Late nights don't work for me most times besides weekends. Yeah, don't. If you that's good. If you don't want to trade late nights, don't trade late nights. Trade during the day or throughout the day. Something that's pretty low touch. Yeah, yeah. That's true. I haven't deposited anything yet because I got no idea on how to work the app properly. That's good. Don't deposit. I would say just for the time being, don't deposit anything. I would say have a squeeze on like just have a think like how often do you want to trade? Do you want to trade at night? Do you want to trade throughout the day? Do you want to trade within a few hours? Do you want to swing trade, which is carry trade over days? How do I trade? Good question. I trade. If we quickly go onto like my strategy, all I do is it's like 4 steps, chat. 4 steps. If you want to really follow my strategy, it's super simple. I think. One, there's 4 things you got to consider. So what condition you are in, where, how we're going to get there, and when we're going to enter. And so for the what condition, you've been teaching yourself for the past 2-3 weeks, but it's hard to work with. Okay. Recommendations to getting first payout. I'm gonna keep repeating this because I think it's super important, and it took me 2.5 years, like about 2 years, to get like consistent payouts. By the way, if anyone's wondering, I've gotten a few payouts across prop firms or on Top Step so far, about like 15k Australian, so it's okay. But my advice for getting consistent or first payouts: trade really slow, really small for long enough that you'll get the payout. Don't try to make everything in the first week, 2 weeks, month. Just take your time. I'd rather a lot of people think trading is get rich quick. You know what? It's actually get rich slow, but you will get rich. So you just gotta take your time. Is prop firms the only way to make good money? Because having your own account, yeah, that's true. It depends. I think for low capital people, prop firms is a pretty good way to start. Definitely if you're very conscious and play it tight. I mean that in the sense of if you can purchase one prop firm, you're gonna spend like $150 or whatever, and then you take a month to pass, which is fine. You take 2 months to get a payout and don't blow the account. That's a realistic like time frame for a beginner. Like you just need to not blow the account, and it's easy to that as long as you don't risk much. Okay, chat. And so yeah, prop firm is a good way to build capital. Once you get a pound on a prop firm, take some of that money, spread it out into savings or whatever, and then reinvest into other prop firms and scale from there. Hi, big bro. What kind of indicator is that? So at the moment, I'm just using Tom Trades is my mentor. He highlights the different candles within the price action, so you can see. Let me just pull this up. So chat. This is his indicator is just called Tom Trades. You can search it up, Tom Trades here. And when you select the, let's say, hour, it highlights the hour candle within price action. So it's pretty, it's helpful for me in my strategy, that is, so I can have a look at where price is going or like what's happened within the candle. So right now, I've highlighted the 15 minutes, but I want to see what's happening within this single hourly candle. So I highlight it, and we can see that's nearing the end of the hourly candle. And it's just recently broken this regression trend high. How long I've been trading for? About 2 years, just over 2 years. What's good? I've obviously been learning the apps and what to click, etc. I'm learning on TradingView. Yeah, dude, this is TradingView. I'm looking at TradingView right now. Right now is trading. This one here is Top Step, but I use TradingView as the chart plugin. What's your thoughts on TradingView and Blueberry as both? Yeah, it's a regulated exchange to my knowledge, Blueberry. How do I put that on? So, Chloe, if you go on the top of your screen, there's a button called Indicators on TradingView, and generally, You can type in. Thanks for the follow, Tom Trades, and then you can find indicators here. There you go. You can see here Tom Trades, Tom Trades. That's what it is. What was that? Does someone know what that fucking bell was? I don't know how to use TikTok. It's live. Not gonna lie. Alright, how's it going, bro? What's up, Justin? Welcome to the stream, bro. Hey, dude. I didn't even get to tell you guys my strat, but we'll get around to it perhaps. Damn, that's not including my plan. No, Chloe, it's free. It's free. It's free. It's free. It's free. I'll send you a link actually. Let me try and find it. It's like it's hold on, let me see if I can drop it. How do I drop it? So free indicators, here we go. I'm part of Tom's Trades, Tom Trades, whatchamacallit? Um mentorship, and he's got indicators here. So here, time for, and these are free. These are these free indicators. Let me just see if I can hook you guys up with it. Hold up, chat. Hold up. Let me help you out. Let me help you out. Male behavior. Maybe this one. Yeah. That's it. This was, how do I? Can I link it? Chat. Can you tell me if you guys can see this in was it posted because of this live settings? Oh, I guess I can't properly. Fuck. How would I send it to you guys? Fuck. Let me just think of something, chat. I'll think of something. Oh, how about this? I got a Discord. There's literally nothing on it. It won't let me send on chat. It won't let me send on chat. You can see here. I have a Discord. I'll put in Discord. The Discord link is, I think, is in my bio. I literally don't have any in my Discord, but let me just link something up for you guys. What's that, chat? Here we go. I got you guys. Okay, your comment wasn't posted because of this live settings. Hold up. Can you not put a link in TikTok live, bro? This is ass. What? Does anyone know how to do this? Sorry. Does anyone know how to do this shit? Help me! Help me! It's crazy, man. I fucking hate TikTok. Oh, let me see this shit, man. Remove the HTTPS. Nah, it's promoting someone else. Oh, hold on. Let me just try. Let me just remove the HTTPS. See if that works. Let me see if that's a link. Oh shit! He's a genius. Okay, there's a link. Let me see. I don't know if you guys can copy it. I'll put it there. That's the indicator, chat. We got an indicator. Shit, W's in the chat. Like up, man. Free indicator. Yeah, just the code. Let me put on Discord. Man, I have a Discord, but there's literally nothing going on in there. But alright. Let me holler at you guys. Copy this link. I need to be on Discord chat. I'm not really with the thing, but I'll try to tee it up. I'll try to tee it up. Here, see if you guys can find that. Oh, man. That work? Look, yeah, don't blame me. Discord's dead dry. There's nothing on it. But guess your buy entry. I don't know your buy entry, bro. I don't know where you bought. There you guys go. Just join the Discord if you want, or if you feel like it, whatever. No stress. Anyways. Hey, thanks for the follow, bro. Appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in. Your buy entry was 4380.957, bro. Where are you getting these? 4380. Holy, down here. Holy, yeah, you're fucking crazy. Some sort of liquidity sweep for value gap type shit. Massive, eh? That's crazy, mate. That's too big. Do you trade for a living? How do you work with taxes in Australia? Do not have to do taxes. You gotta do taxes. I can't give you financial advice about taxes and shit. You feel me? I can't give you advice on that. You feel me, chat? Do I still have a? Hey, what's up, Lucky? Welcome to the stream. I have a day-to-day job. I don't trade full time just yet. But even if I could, I probably still work a job just to have another stream of income. You know what I mean? All right, chat. Looks like it's just gone straight bullish. I think this is good because it's recovering from everything that happened yesterday. I mean, today I just tanked. So the price started up here, went all the way down, and it's kind of just like, I guess correcting, which is good. I just didn't get into the long, which is fine. We just vibe out until then. I just hit bang trade. Look using bookmap. Whoa, congrats, bro. Nice. So that's awesome, dude. Am I gonna long? No, because I don't have an entry. Good question, Clyde. But I personally don't have an entry. And secondly, it's a really bad position to long. Like the move has already been made essentially. Like it could still continue going up, but you don't know how far. Like this is a pretty big impulse leg for the past 30 minutes, right? And this is what happened in the last 4 hours, actually 10 hours. So we sort of don't want to just long here. I'd rather wait for another setup. I did think it was too late. Correct. Yeah, I think it is as well. If you trade Nasdaq at configuration, trade on that light. Yeah, nice, bro. It really feels like cheating in my eyes because I never know exactly when to enter. That's right, man. Chloe, you need a pullback. Correct. You do need a pullback, Chloe. At the moment, it's just kind of just spiking hard. We don't really have a nice entry. I do have an entry model chat, not gonna lie, to enter on a short, but I'm just waiting for price action to recover. All I need, and this is part of my strategy, I didn't really go through my strat, but it's fine. All I need is ideally, if I'm looking for a long, I want at this new candle open, I want price to come down somewhere here. Ideally, best case scenario is it goes back to 50% of this entire impulse leg. See that if I drop, that's 50%. Hold on, let me just fix this shit. Yeah, if price comes back to like 50% around here, then I can look for a long. If it comes and trickles down here, I'd enter in a long because this would mean that this hourly candle is creating a bottom wick. So as you can see, using this indicator, this is the new hourly candle, right? I want to see. You notice that a lot of candles have a bottom wick and a top wick. This new candle is starting up now. I want it to make the bottom wick before I take the long into the top to create the body of the leg. Makes sense. Be careful. Don't be too dependent. It's a tool with 80% of the tape being noise. Great advice, Justin. Nice work helping lock you out. Made the mistake at the start. I heard of trading Apple is good. What's your thoughts? I don't trade New York stocks. So I think trading during those times, like a lot of the volatility for those New York stocks happen at the start of the New York session, which for those New York stock exchanges is in 30 minutes, and I can't stay up every single day, every weekday at 11:30 to trade for the next 2 hours. I'd rather not. I'd rather wrap up trading like midnight latest, personally. You want me to coach you how to catch some top tick moves, Onk? Toby, man. Yeah, drop the receipts, man. Let me see the trade entries. It's quite convenient. You always bottom and top ticking, cuz. Yeah, I've watched probably over 200 videos on it in the last few days. Nice, bro. Good work, dude. It's all about that learning, putting into work. Yeah, I'm still waiting for this beer. I'll start sending you my MetaTrader entries. Crazy. Do it, man. Let's see it. Let's see that 2 weeks. Alright. Like, send over. Hey, we hit the follower goal. W's in the chat. W's in the shot. Nice. What should we make the next goal? 269? Nice. That was the thing before. Double it. Nah, like, hold on. Let's get to 269 first. 269 is a good number. Too many. Anyways, chat, we still got these our top step evals here. I mean, sorry, top step funded. Birth certificate. Your boyfriend run from the diamond test. Okay, super. Do you know any legit mentors to help out while I'm starting? Okay, it depends. Yeah, Lance Brightstein is really good. That's Justin's mentor as well, chat. So, how do I call you? Deeks? Deek? DE4CS, Deeks? Lance Brightstein is $100 million verified profit trader at a prop firm. Like a proper institutional prop firm, not a retail commercial prop firm that you see at the moment, like that we're all trading these simulated capital. And he traded real life capital, and he made over $100 million in profits. So Lance Brightstein is great. He's on YouTube. I would recommend checking him out. He's not my mentor, but he is Justin's mentor. Deeks, if you want to get started, you know, listening to advice from him, even me, I'm listening to his advice right now. This is him. I have a video opened up on psychology as well. Some videos on psychology. So great dude. His YouTube is the One Lance B. I don't know if you guys see that. The One Lance B. It's this dude here. Good stuff. He's got really good content. I'd advise checking him out. Super experienced, super knowledgeable. Better than the fake gurus. Even myself, I couldn't give you as much gold as he can provide. So I'll definitely recommend checking him out. So the cool thing about that indicator chat is that, you know, you have access to the 1 hour, but like you can modulate it so you look at the candles in other time frames. So I'm going to open up the 4 hour. So if I open up the 4 hour, see these green candles now. So now we can see each 4 hour candle overlaid on top of the 1 minute price action. And so why this is important is that we can see, if we zoom out, we can start to see the pattern in the 1 hour and the 4 hour, right? Okay, this could be another pullback before the continuation down. This could be massive. And why is this important is because, well, if we're in a bearish trend, clearly breaking the lower lows, okay, we could be making a protected high here, and this could be a really good opportunity to short downwards. It could be, not financial advice, but it's important to see that, you know, this 4 hour candle overlay is quite helpful. And where is important for me is, okay, if we are going down, what do I want to see happen within this 4 hour candle, chat? So as you can see, there's all these bottom wicks, and you got the top wicks. What we want is, if this is going to potentially continue going down and following the bearish trend on the higher time frame, we want to make a top wick before going down to resume the massive push down. This is possible. Could be low probability because we made such a massive move down and then kind of way up. Yes, it means I'm going to short. Chloe, good question. Yes. Alright, which one? Slay. Type shit. Thank you. So, yeah, like I said, we want to ideally, this could be a really good opportunity to catch a massive short down, but we got to sort of see. I'm waiting for my entry model to play out. As traders, you get paid to wait. That's all it is. You just get paid to wait. If you've identified a profitable edge, you just get paid to wait. Which potentially could be an entry right now for me. Actually, I'll be honest with you. I could enter on this shortly, chat. If it breaks through. Yeah, I like this. Okay. So I'm entering a short here, 3 micros. I get 6 micros in there, covering the recent protected high. And I'm going to target 50% of the I'll target 50% of this impulse leg. I could be early, I'm not going to lie, I could be early. So I just entered in a short around this area. The reason why is we've had a market structure shift on the 15-second. What that means is price came up, came down, came up, and it broke this low here. To me, this is an internal change of character. Super important. It means that prices, on the low time frame at least, has shifted bearish, heading down. Thanks for the follow, Deacon. Appreciate it. Yeah, lucky. Yeah, that's it. He's waiting for you to start streaming, Justin. Nice. 2 weeks. It's reacting on fib levels. That's awesome. It's good. It's good to hear. So I'm just entering a short there on my thingamajig. I'm gonna enter the shorts on my FTMO chat. Super slow at this shit at the moment because I've got so many things. Take profit. Where is it gonna be? And is there any opportunity to scale in, etc.? Let's have a look first. And just adjust my stop loss. I like to do 1 point outside of the recent protected high. Entry is kind of mid, but it's all right. I'm happy with this sort of trade. My take profit is going to be around 50% of the leg that made this move, but I try to keep it a bit tight, considering that we've recently broken the channel. Like price was previously in a clear bullish move upwards, and then it made a breakout. If you guys watched my stream yesterday, you would have noticed that I literally took the reverse of this trade. Let me see if I can find it. I literally took the opposite of this trade and hit a banger, chat. So hopefully we can hit the same sort of trade. So quick recap of yesterday's stream. I don't know if you guys seen it, if you guys saw it, but essentially yesterday, price was in this bearish trend, as you can see. Once price broke this bearish trend, price broke it, it made a reversal back to 50%, okay? Once it made a reversal back to 50%, I shorted, which means betting down, at 50% of this towards the original break of structure leg. So I took this trade here, and this was a 9R trade, 9 risk reward trade, live on stream. So this is almost the same. The trade I'm in now is almost the same, but this one I'm taking the long into the 50%. This is the idea. I'm taking the long at the tip is the idea. I'm trying to catch the tip, or catch the reversal into 50%. That's what I'm trying to do now, chat. Okay. So that's where we are now. So as you can see, same sort of thing happened. We're in a bullish trend. It broke it, and now I'm trying to catch the top of it to go back into 50%. And much like you saw on the other one before, I want a long, once it comes back to the 50%, potentially to continue the move up. So I could take a short here, targeting around here, and then I'll take a long back up here, which is pretty much that. This second one here is yesterday's trade. So hopefully we hit this. It's a small scalp. It's like 1.26 R trade, which is okay, but we'll see how price reacts. We're just playing off the move. What I do like is this behavior on the hourly, because if you notice, like with hourly candles, if you're trying to take a bullish continuation, for example, you can see here price entered here, it went down, made the bottom wick, and then we went all the way top. Now it didn't make it. If you want a continuation model, ideally you want to see price enter the new 1 hour candle, make a pullback down, right, to make the bottom wick of the hourly, and then continue up. But we didn't get that initial pull down. We actually got a push up, potentially making the top wick, and then we could potentially be going down for a reversal. This will be the top wick of this hourly candle. Could be. I don't know. I just stick to the strategy, trade what I can trade what I'm familiar with, what I've collected. And yeah, that's where we're at the moment, chat. So we're at a short around here at the breakout. Kind of slightly lower R and R. Good night, bro. Thanks for watching. Got school tomorrow. Damn, bro. Love you, bro. Love you. So yeah, we'll just take a nice, potentially a good trade here. And I'm okay if it loses. That's fine. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Usually, sometimes, like I could consider entering. You see how price made this break here, chat? It made this break in this lower time frame. Usually, I would consider waiting for price to pull back to 50% of this leg. And as you can see, it would have came up to it around about now. And then I could have entered the short up there, but it's all right. I could have waited for price to come up here and then entered the short here and then had a tighter stop loss, which would have increased my risk to reward. So this is 2.29 versus a 1.26. But that's all right, chat. It's okay. I'm okay with this. Because you never know, it could have just went down. The reason why I entered off the breakout is because we had such a massive impulse that I don't even know if there was going to be a retest back into 50% of this. So what's a stop loss thing? And do you have one? Yeah, so stop loss is when you specify an area on the price action or price chart where if price hits that, then it exits you out of the trade. And so if you look at my screen here, I entered around here. I entered here. That's denoted by this red line here. and I dragged my stop loss to this red point here. And so if price comes to this red point, it will essentially lose the trade and it will stop me out from proceeding to take further losses if it continues up. And then I set a take profit target down here. So we're just vibing right now, chat. We get paid. Remember, traders, we get paid to be patient. We get paid to be patient, chat. You feel me? Oh, so it goes down to the green, it cashes you out automatically. Yes, correct. If it goes to the red, then it cashes me out for a loss. If it goes to the green, it cashes me out for a W. Type shit. But look, the thing is, all I need to do is just place risk. I just place trades where I've identified a profitable edge, and for me, this is somewhat profitable. So we just vibe out, chat. We vibe out. Don't need to do nothing crazy. Lucky you got to get up at 6 a.m. Bro, you say you're gonna head off and then you're back on, cuz. What are you doing, man? Appreciate it, though. Thanks for getting the likes up to 1K, chat. A follow goal of 269. My account is playing What are you just on TradingView? Well, let me put any trades on. Are you on TradingView demo or you on a prop firm? What's the haps? No, you're going now. Oh yeah, TradingView. That's okay. So so if you're on the TradingView, so this is my TradingView now. I believe. How would I open up the trade? Okay, so I've opened the trade panel, and then they've got the paper trading, right? Is that what you did? The trade panel of paper trading. So I'll click this one. I'll start it up. And if you bring at the bottom, I could probably enter. I think I'll right click here. No. Yeah, buy or sell. Is that right? You got a Pepperstone account. Okay, that's all right then. I don't have a Pepperstone. Oh, did you learn that one from TradingView? Sign up to Pepperstone through trading pool. I don't have a. That looks so much easier than doing it on phone. Could be, bro. Could be. Oh yes, nice. I was actually in Trading Pool's mentorship for about 9 months. I think it was okay. The issue was, nice, you follow him. I was learning from Trading Pool for about 9 months. I was able to get funded using his strategy. The only issue was I was trading NASDAQ using his model, and his model doesn't work the greatest on NASDAQ. It works really well on Forex. More efficient markets like gold and Australian dollar, which is actually what he taught you to trade on. But I didn't. I wanted to be silly and try and trade NASDAQ, and I actually spent a lot of time losing. So yeah, if you learn Trading Pool's model, it's just fine. Yeah, it's definitely trade on gold or Aussie dollar. I wouldn't say go on. Oh, this is actually really good. This would have been a good entry here, chat. Sorry. Is Trading Pool that guy in the Goldie? Yeah, that's correct, bro. Trading Pool's going to go in McLaren. He's cool. He's my first trading mentor. I started off with Trading Pool, and then I went to Powell Trades. If you guys seen him, Powell Trades, and then I went to Tom Trades. Tom Trades is cool. He's the Sydney guy. Guy in Sydney. He trades gold. I think he's been trading for 6 years. And he's like he's not flashy at all. If you guys search him up, search up It's Tom Trades. It's Tom Trades on Instagram. If you search him up, you'll see that he doesn't have any flashy shit, no cars, no this, that, but he's well off. He's got like a $1.4 million trading account. Been trading for years. I mean, he just trades the same shit every single day, which is what I like doing as well now, because I trade his model. It's very mechanical. It's very easy to sort of learn, I would say. And yeah, I think it's a pretty good strat. Chat, there's actually potential for me to scale in for another short opportunity. If it rejects off this 50% on this leg, And then I might scale in another short. Maybe. Maybe. If it rejects off well. You should keep your wrist the same, please, for my mental health. He motivated me to look into trading. His apartment is nice as nice, dude. Yeah, he's nice. He's cool. He's cool. I'm not gonna size in just yet, chat. I don't like the look of it. Look, it could potentially go against me here. 24, you young and wildin'. Brand new body, put in mileage. You put that on, don't need no stylist. Why? I don't know why your pepper stone isn't working. That's weird. Well, let's see what this account's at. I can't even remember. Is it up today? Yeah, it's up a little bit. Doesn't look like it's gonna come down, chat. I think I'm gonna vibe out and let it just, unless it breaks this one. Come here, brace this and close down. Might need some more. Let's have a look at gold against the dollar. Let's have a look at gold. It's kind of on a bullish move up, yeah. It could just continue going up, chat. Not gonna lie. Massive move down from Aussie for USD, but yeah, this is actually a pretty bullish sign. It's not good. I might need to consider exiting this one soon, chat. I mean, yeah, it's a tough one. What happens when it goes past red? Does it take the loss out of your account, if that makes sense? Yeah. Oh, your phone died. Oh, that sucks, dude. Well, welcome back to the stream anyways. Yeah, it'll take your loss out. Like, yeah, you lose it. So then you couldn't find my live. Oh, what? You're following me, right? I think you can. Yeah, I don't know. That's weird. But I appreciate you tuning back. Welcome back. Did you get in the trade, Chloe, or you just vibing out? If it breaks this low, I think it might. I'm actually going to enter. If it breaks this little low here, I might enter more and then tighten my stop loss. Yeah. It looks like it wants to hold. I'm waiting. Alright, I just entered there more. I'm happy to take a short there. I just scaled in a bit more, chat. I'm gonna tighten my stop loss here. Because I'm sizing quite a bit now and I don't want to like lose too much, so I just entered 3 short positions, I think, across this trade. 2 shorts here, 2 shorts in the beginning of the trade, and then another short just up here. So it's averaged me out a little bit. I do want to see it hopefully break this low. That's the real litmus test, you know what I mean? We want it to break this low here. Trying to fix it, but anywho, that sucks. Paper trading account now because Pepper's started being messy. That's all good. Like Chloe, I think the biggest thing is whatever you're doing, whatever you're trading. Hey, good luck tomorrow, bro. I know it's big. It's a big day. Take your time, relax, you know. So take it easy. But Chloe, because you're in such a crucial phase of your learning, you need to really take it slow, which you're doing, which is fine. Paper trading is good, but what's most important is you need to journal. You really need to journal your trades. You need to figure out a system or a way to record your trades in a clearly defined way, so that you know what confluences are profitable. what kind of shit is good for you. And I'll show you an example of my journal if you want to see. Here's what my journal looks like. So if I just do a quick recap, like I have like a daily kind of analysis, and then I kind of do an outline of the strategy, and then I kind of like and then I journal my trades here. So this is my actual journal itself. I track the day, the name, the day, the time, all the confluences that make up the entry. So if you look here, there's a ton of confluences, and all these things add up, and it's huge. It's huge, yeah. But when you start getting into the habit of it, it's really good because it helps you realize what's a profitable trade and what's not a profitable trade, and like how the probability is. This is not on TradingView. This one's on Notion, so it's an external app. So it's called Notion. It's free, Notion, Notion, and you can just like create like a whole document, tables. You put images, all that kind of stuff. It's like a real nice journaling software. I'm gonna live chat. This kind of really choppy about market behavior. Historically speaking, it's not good for a reversal. That's good. That's good. Wait, you close that? Oh, wait, close it. Yeah. Yeah, so this is I'm still in the trade. I'm still in the trade. Um well, it just doesn't look good. I'm not gonna lie to you. It looks pretty bad. It looks like it's potentially we hit stop loss. But that's fine. You just look at here. It kind of looks a bit looks like it's kind of just taking its time and trickling its way back up, which isn't the greatest. Ideally, we would like it to just break out this low, have a pullback, and then continue down. That's the best case scenario, but yeah, that's all right. Have you ever tried trading through 1 second candles? No, not 1 second, but I do use the 5 second here and there. Like last night, we were on the 5 second watching price action because it was just a bit clearer, right? Because I only hold trades for not that long. Wow, what's this? This one candle just spiked up. This is the 5 seconds now, if you're wondering. So we'll see how it goes, but we really need to give us more confidence, chat. We really need price to break this low here because, as you can see, it's been respected a few times. Gives us confidence. This is not good because this is sort of making its way up. It's like a bullish low time frame trending range now. So if I draw this little line up here, you guys can see that we're just kind of like in a bullish move up, which is not great because we're betting short, but that's alright. I just vibe out, you know. If it's a loss, I think this will be my only loss for tonight, chat. Not gonna lie. If it loses, that's all good. I go sleep, and yeah, we'll do a lighter trade tomorrow. It's Friday. I don't really like Fridays. Fridays are pretty. Can you switch to betting long? I can, but at the moment there is no reason to officially cancel my idea. I wouldn't cancel just because it looks like it's going long at the moment. If it was continuously breaking high highs, I mean, maybe, but for it to go long, for me to switch long, then that would mean my take profit would have to be somewhere up here, and I'm not really keen on that. So I'd rather it come back to the leg that it kind of made a break of. I'd rather it do that than anything, you know. Yeah, so that's it. As you can see, like we're still okay, you know. We're still sort of we're in. Yes, it is like a bullish trending range at the moment, but you know, nothing. I mean, I'm just okay if it hits the stop loss. If it hits the stop loss, then it's all good. You know what I mean? You've unlocked tier 1 flare, limited theme, and more. I wonder what this means, chat. I don't know what it means. Not gonna lie. Oh, okay, so it's easier to reach low than higher. Well, like it really depends, bro. Like it comes with when you watch the charts quite a lot. So at the moment, you see this chart here. It's made a massive move up, and ideally, you know, if you think about how price moves, it goes up, has a pullback, up, pullback, up, pullback, etc. Or sometimes it might just go raging side to side, which is fine. Or sometimes it just goes down, pull back up a bit, down, pull back up a bit. down, pull back up a bit. You know what I mean? So at this point in time, we just had a massive move up, and I'm waiting for it to come back, pull down a bit, and then potentially catch the long up. That's all it is. So as you guys can see now, it made a massive move up, and I sort of want to catch it on the way down, and then potentially catch it on the way up. But that would mean I'm trading pretty late. I'm not really keen for that. But that is a way to actually trade this whole price action. You know what I mean? Does it make sense? So right now, price has come up, and I'm trying to catch it on the way down. Just a little small trade, and you know, it could not. Who knows? But I'll tell you what, this is a good sign. It has recently been slowly breaking the lows and lows. These internal lows are slowly getting chipped away at, which is a good sign for our short. But I'm just trying to remain as unbiased or okay, chat. Look, this is good. See, this is good. It's good we waited. It's good we waited. It's broken the low here, and now, as you can see that, chat. Price is coming down now, and this is what we sort of wanted. We just wanted to be patient. We wanted price to come and break this lows, and it has. Is everyone? You guys? There's only 2 of you guys, but that's all right. You guys see what I'm saying? Like, has started to continue to break the lows, which is what we were being patient for. We get paid for being patient. We get paid for being patient. So now, hopefully, I'm in the short still, and I still want to try and get the trade coming down to this around 50%. You know, sometimes it can go less. You know, it'll come up here, and it can come here, and then continue up, which is fine. Generally, it can go up here and then pull back even more down, and then, you know, go up, which is fine as well. But I want to play a bit tight and play it safe. I'm just going to aim for, you know, around here. Does it make sense, chat? Yeah, I hope it's making sense. But look, I'm glad that it's working out pretty well. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. You know, I'm just trying to... Because you know what happens is when you teach something yourself, it helps you understand the concepts yourself. So for me, when I teach you guys, it helps me understand and reinforce my belief in the edge. So I'm doing this for myself, but you know, you guys receive value from it as well, which is ideal. So I just want to reinforce my own understanding. And once you guys get into trading as well, you know, you sort of want to be on that side where you can teach others, even if you literally have a little thing on the wall, like a picture or something. I don't know, like a little, have this little. Anyway, if you guys watch anime, I've got Robin. Sometimes I talk to her, and I'm like, "Yo, this is what I'm doing, Robin. This is my strategy, yada yada yada." The idea is just to recall. It's better for memory recall. Yo, for real, you just prove your confidence right there. Yeah, well, look, I've been doing this for 2 years, man. And when you said, "Oh, should I go long?" If you went long when you said you wanted to go long, look where you'd be now. It'd be going kind of opposite, and you'd be stressing out. And you're like, maybe I'll go short. And of course, what happens when you go short? It will go against you. So it takes time. It takes time. It takes a bit of patience. And just sort of understanding. Like I said, remember what I said in the beginning of the call a bit earlier. When the hourly candle starts up, if this was going to continue going up, you'd want the hourly candle to sort of open, come down, and then go up. But we didn't get that, did we? We saw it continue going up, made the top wick here, and it's slowly trickling down. So now we've made the top wick. Now we need to make the body of the move, and then there's going to be a reversal at the end, ideally for the bottom wick to be made. That's the sort of concept. Yeah. Sorry, chat, one sec. Yeah. So now we wait, we sit and wait. And like, this is where, if you saw earlier, some of the other guys are talking about Bookmap. You can use Bookmap. Bookmap is like a tool that collates data on orders in the market. And you can see the orders in the market, and you can sort of see the volume of orders. Like, oh, there's a massive amount of orders at this. Let's say there's a massive amount of orders at this 50% level. Let's say there's a bunch of orders sitting right here. Then if there's a bunch of orders sitting right here, I could put my take profit just above it, so that if it does hit this, it just doesn't reverse straight away. So does that mean you can, I guess, make 2 profits for when it's going down and when it goes up? Yes, you can. You can short, which is betting that it goes down, and you can long, which is betting that it goes up. I mean, this is good. I'm gonna just tighten my stop loss a bit more, chat. I'm gonna keep. Yeah, I'm gonna tighten my stop loss a bit more, because if it goes against me now, then it's probably going to continue reversing up. So at this point here, you want to set your stop losses at places of invalidation of your buys. How come you wouldn't add your stop loss though? I could, but you got to keep in mind, like I said, bro. You saw this leg make the break, right? See this leg, you see how I dropped this line? This leg broke this previous structure, right? So as you can see, like if we take it back even just here, you can see price came down, had a pullback up, came down, all right? It's gonna potentially have a pullback up at some point. I don't know how far it's gonna go, but once it pulls back up, it can potentially go down even further, and that's what I want. If it doesn't do that, then price could do this. It could go down, pulls back up a bit, goes down, pulls back up, but this time it continues pulling back up. And if it continues pulling back up, then I'm happy for, if it hits this point here, I'm happy to just say, all right, it's probably going to continue going up. I don't want to lose any more money. But if it doesn't, then it comes back around halfway or near it, then around this area, I'm going to say, if it respects that, it's most likely going to go down, in my opinion, in my experience. So I don't want to move my stop loss lower just yet. I'll let it, give it breathing room, you know? Because, you know, you never know. With gold, I mean, with other things like NASDAQ and whatnot, that shit can go pretty up and down in a matter of seconds. I don't want to deal with that. It could go up and then down and up and down. Like, you know what? Let's actually have a look. This is gold right now. Why don't we quickly switch over to NASDAQ? And let's see what's happened there. Yeah, as you can see, price has gone up. And mind you, this is in the span of 6 minutes. Price has gone up and then went down. And then it's sort of come up. I don't want to deal with that. That's crazy volatility. Too much stress on the heart, you know what I mean? So we just trade our little gold. We trade a little gold in the same sort of volume or time. It's just kind of like trickled down. That's fine. We vibing. You know what I mean? Hope that made sense. I could potentially take my profit here, chat. Could potentially take my profit here. Now, what I'm doing now is I'm looking on the higher time frame to see if I can see what's actually potentially gonna draw my buys to, if anything. So I'm just gonna use that tool again, the 4 hour. I just want to see what's happening on the 4 hour handles to sort of establish a position. And look at this, it's come back into 50% of this leg here at the moment, and we'll see how it reacts. If it pushes through, then it could continue going up and break us out for a loss, which is fine. Or it can respect this 50% zone and continue going down. Never know. Never know. And you just gotta accept it. And as you can see, chat, I'm looking at the 4 hour now. If we look on the higher time frame, there's a huge leg here that is sort of being moved into as well. So if I highlight this, price came not into the 50%, but this one's more of a bit of a, it tapped into a OTE or optimal trading entry, which is a zone within the Fibonacci levels. Kind of tapped into the 0.786 area, and it's kind of rejecting off of it. So it's a high time frame Fibonacci level. If we have a look at our trade, it looks like it. Look at that! It kind of like respected the 50% pretty well. Hopefully it continues going down, but no stress if it doesn't. We can still cop the L on this trade. It's fine. It's fine. Obviously, I would prefer it not, but it's fine if it does. Hopefully that makes sense, chat. Any questions? Let me know. What do you know? Let me know. Like up, follow. You feel me? We're just vibing at the moment. We're vibing. We take our time. We just like, this is a good time to just maybe like read, have a chat. You know, a really productive thing that I should be doing and you guys should be doing is actually journaling the trade. But I want to keep an eye on this. So right now, I would be journaling. Actually, you know what? I'll just do it now. You're right. I should just do it now. Be productive, hey? Nice. Look at that, chat. It's respected the 50% level, and hopefully, what we want, fingers crossed, is it breaks this low. Protect the low. It'll be good to break it, but you know. You helped a lot, but I'm still confused on the win and loss stuff. I don't know how to ask a question. So in the markets, you can, like, let's say price is going up like this. You can choose to bet that it will go up. Okay, you can choose to bet that it'll go up. Okay, if it goes up, then you win. If it goes down, when you bet that it will go up, then you lose. So like if price is going up here, this is a long tool, so long means up. So this is long here. If you're betting that it'll go up, okay, and you can short. And so if you think price is going to go down, you can short, and then you can hopefully, if it goes down, then you win. The gray stuff here is the loss area. Usually it's red on your trading view tools and whatnot, but I use different colors. Not good. I would prefer that leg to have been broken, but we shall see. Would you hypothetically bet $50 on long or short? Probably. I don't know. I would have been more confident with my short, but now it looks like it's going long. So right now I bet short, right? So I'm betting that it'll go down, and see how it's green. That means I'm in the it's floating profits right now. But if it goes into the red, then I lose money. What's up, Chloe? Welcome back. Hopefully this little protected high holds. It'd be annoying if it didn't, but that's the game. Yeah, I should probably trade journalist trade. What did I enter? 23.8. 23.08. I'm just gonna journalist trade, chat. You can watch this play out in the meantime. 23.08. Where's the reverse? Right trend. Right, inverse. Right to shift. Yeah. 23.08. I'm just journaling my trade right. 23.08. You guys can watch me do that if you like, or if you guys see. So I'm journaling the trade. 23.08. Today is Thursday. What session is it? It's New York number 2. Trade number, I would say 2. Duration, don't know. We're on gold. Time frame model. Down trend. Market structure alignment. Probably 1, just a lower time frame. Market condition is trending. Low time reversal. Middle time frame reversal. Hard time frame reversal. Area of interest. There's no area of interest. External to low time frame, high time frame, external to the previous 15, low time frame, middle time frame, high time frame. Yep. Taking counter trend trade. Let's quickly have a look. Looks like it's gonna come back. Okay. I vibe out. I vibe out. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. We're still in the shorts here, but it looks like it's gonna go long, really. Unfortunately, I could have maybe considered taking profits here. Maybe that would have been a nah. It's a negative R trade. Um, yeah, it's all right. I like this kind of trade, anyways. It's still about 50%. I really want it to be a bit more tight, then I can bring it to tighter zone, but that's all right. All right. Well, look at this. It's coming back up. It could lose me out here, chat, which is fine. If it is, then that will be my trade for the day. Hmm. Let's have a look on gold. So gold, USD. You know now gold is stable. Came down. And they were up, up. Nah. I think it's equalizing at the moment. This is good, actually. I think this is good. I think my shorts are still pretty good, I think, maybe. I think. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what happens to the markets. You never know. If it is, yeah. If it loses, that's fine. Okay, big bearish candle. Like the internal low. Can you take out this previous one? Though? Don't know if you can. Can I take it? Guys, have any questions? What are you guys doing right now? What are you guys up to? Go. Just hold this short shot. Just watching and taking it all in. Hey, nice, bro. Nice, man. Where are you from? You're on. You said you're in Logan, did you? Yeah, it's a bit late, my boy. I'm gonna get some sleep. Yeah, nice. Not bad. Big man ting. Yeah, we just vibe out, bro. Oh, what's happening actually? I could actually maybe look at exiting this trade realistically, but I think it's okay. I think it's okay because it's still bearish on lower time frame. Hey, you lost your job other week, got nothing to do. Damn, bro, what'd you do for work? Why'd they let you go? Yeah, fucking Job market's pretty cool at the moment, bro. Hey, what's good, Lucky? What's good? What's good? What's good? We were in the shorts, still in the shorts from the original move. This is kind of retracing back at the moment. Oh, you worked at youth detention center. Yeah, fair enough. Why did they let you go then? What happened? Oh, yeah, in Waco. Yeah, fair enough. Damn, man, some of them kids out there is fucking holy, they're tweaking, man. I couldn't, bro. I couldn't do it. Holy moly, holy. We just had a massive spike out chat. All right, that just tipped me out. We lost the trade there, which is fine. I wonder what happened. Massive like volume. Just you see that? So that usually doesn't happen. I have a feeling. Oh, don't tell me it's some fucking news shit. Let me have a look. I really hope. This is why I hate trading fucking New York. I hope there was no stupid news. I'm gonna wait a second. Unfortunately, we lost that trade, which is fine. Maybe we could have taken it earlier, but it's not really sticking. Left because it was mad toxic stuff with the kids. Yeah, it's not good, bro. Oh man, it didn't take the high. Can I re-enter a short here? What's it saying? I mean, I think I could. Might just re-enter. It didn't break that high yet. It respected it. I was gonna quickly enter. Re-enter. I think it was around the same price. Yeah, I'll re-enter the same price. Maintain the same stop loss. So it's essentially I'm in the same trade again still, chat. I'm in the same trade. Um, that was crazy volume in one candle, mate. Watch, it's gonna go down though. You never know. If it loses here, then I'll wrap it up for tonight. I think that's a pretty good trading session. Like we watched. This is like original stop loss area, anyways. So we'll see how it goes. It's a bit of a tough call. I don't know what that fucking. I don't know if you've seen that candle. Massive. Oh, let me have a look at the price. The news. No specific news. Um. Oh man, I don't know. Maybe it's gonna continue going up. Yeah, it looks like it's just going up, chat. What makes the candle feel like volume? So whatever's happening in the world, there was someone or some institutions or something had a massive decision to buy gold or put gold orders in, something like that. That would affect it. So it's pretty. Let's see. I mean, the DXY is going down. The US dollar is going down, so generally gold should follow. I mean, going up. So, um, it's interesting. This might mean gold is just really strong at the moment. The idea is if the US dollar is going up, then the gold should come down. So this one here, this middle thing that you see on the screen right now, this is the DXY. This is the US dollar index inverted. So I inverted it so it matches the same price action. So an institution or a bank or some entity. One person couldn't make gold move that much. It'd take billions of dollars for it to move like that. So probably an institution right now. I'm assuming probably either in London or the New York because those are the two markets that are open right now. There must have been a massive buy, um, or in this case, the US dollar is coming down. So this middle one is the US dollar. If I just invert it, sorry, it's going up. US dollar is going up, which generally sometimes drives price down. Gonna maintain the invertedness of it. Um, yeah, it's a tough call right now. They usually the US dollar, if it goes up, then gold goes down. They're inversely correlated, but sometimes they're positively correlated. They go the same way, which is Very important to note. So right now, gold is going, the US dollar is going up. US dollar is going up, and then gold seems to be slightly going up. It's a bit tough right now. Actually, I'll be honest with you, chat. I'll be really honest. I shouldn't be in shorts right now. I'll be honest with you. This is like, if you look at this chart here, the bottom one here, gold. This is gold mixture. This has all of the gold and other gold bundles. Apparently, it's still going up regardless of this one going down. So we should be seeing, ideally, if this one here, the middle one, DXY goes down heaps, then gold should be going up heaps. But it's not, like it's hitting a wall. So you see how much this is coming down? So the proportion of this one going down should be, ideally, be the same as the proportion of this one going down, but it's not. Which means gold's holding its value more than the US dollar is affecting it, which is actually it's a strong sign of gold going up, which is not good for me because I'm in shorts. I'll be honest with you. Just give me a sec. I just need to analyze what's going on DXY. Just dropped a little, I suppose. I know, dude, but we want it to drop a lot. Yeah. See, this is it, side by side. We want these ones to be sort of matching. We want the pattern to be matching. We want the patterns to be matching. So this one, DXY recently took an internal protected low, whereas gold didn't even take it. It's not good. Which means that if any movement up on DXY might exponentially push gold up further. It's really important to keep an eye out on these two right here. Really important. I should be exiting. It's a very indecisive candle. This doji's 1 hour doji candle. Yeah, I'm gonna say for a PC, it seems more easier to look at and move around. Yeah, dude. Yeah, do that, dude. You need to save a PC. Yeah, you need a PC to trade. I tried trading on my phone and it was the worst thing ever. Lost a lot of money. Wouldn't recommend. Yeah. I'm just gonna move my trade to break even. Realistically, I think this is a bad trade to be in a short for. So if price comes back here, it'll just break me out, break even, which is fine. I honestly don't think it's a good short bias, really. I hope it takes me out so I can go to sleep. It's kind of choppy. Yeah, look. Do I just exit now? Look at the proportion. Look at this, dude. Look at this. This candle. Like, look at these three candles. This one was down. This one's down. This one's down. And these two ones, these small ones that moved up, have moved this one up massively. I think that should tip me out, man. Oh, actually, you know what? The next 4 hour candle is starting, like, actually in 1 minute. This is actually really important. So the 4 hour candle, this is start 12 a.m. Brisbane time is the start of the new 4 hour candle. Actually, is it? That's weird. Maybe it's not. Generally at the start of a new 4 hour candle, there's a lot of volume that kicks up. Maybe it's not. We'll see. I think I'm still in it, but I'm still in it. Yeah, I feel like this is sort of stressing me out. I don't really want the stress. I'm trading. Might just exit. I think I'll just let it take me out. I think it's gonna take me out in the next 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Let's have a look though. Took me out break even, which is fine. That was a new hourly candle start. Let's just see where we are at actually. So price is continuously going up for gold, but this new candle has no bottom wick. Oh man, it's going down. Oh, of course. You gotta hate it, chat. Oh man, bit frustrating, not gonna lie. It just wicked me out. What's the bottom yellow one? That's gold, just by itself. So this is just gold, and all of its other constituents, no, not against the US dollar. Whereas this top one is paired against the US dollar. Dude, oh, I can't believe it wicked me out. It's... Yeah, that's what it is, bro. Alright, I'm just gonna move this to my... Where was my stop loss? 62.6, 62.6. 62.6. It's an okay loss. I don't think it's a pretty good time to enter anything else. Is there anything else here, chat? I don't know if there's any other opportunities. Seven times 9. It would have been a decent take for like 600 bucks. Oh wow, I can't believe it's continue going down. Imagine if I stay in the trade. That's right. Okay, well, what's it doing if that squiggle then go down heaps? What if it's doing that squiggle then goes down heaps? I don't know what you mean. Like if it's doing this squiggle and then it goes down heaps. Yeah, it could. It can still do that. But look, I think I'm gonna wrap it up there, bro. I don't want to continue trading in this. I think I've exhausted a lot of my trading credits for today. I meant to trading credits, so I'm gonna wrap it up here today. Anyways, look, it's continuously going down, which is very tilting because yeah, I just got wicked out here and then it's continuously going down. Quite a shame, but oh well. That's enough for me, bro. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching the stream. See you next one. Bye. Thanks, bro. See ya. Oh man. No, let's not tweak. Let's not tweak. I'm cooking. How long till your games? How long till you play next one?
Wait, I can't hear you, bro.
What do you say?
How long until the next game starts?
You can, I don't know, but I'm probably sleeping after.
Yeah, probably get off after this.
Yo, you have a sick knife, man.
Hurry up,
Can you
King,
add me
mate.
back?
He was looking at the crazy skins.
Fucking Fred.
Now I was looking at Dick Patton's brandy,
Yeah. Oh yeah.
and I was
nice.
looking at I was looking at a gut knife Dick Patton.
Yeah.
I was looking at the guy's profile, and on the comments, that's what it said. Bro.
Oh,
I was like, what the fuck?
yeah.
Oh. Oh my god.